Now to a woman charged in connection to the death of a 14-year-old. Prosecutors say a McHenry County woman's supply of fentanyl led to the boy's death Wednesday morning in far northwest suburban Richmond.
CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey brings us the tragic details from McHenry County Court and is digging into the woman's history with the Department of Children and Family Services.
It took more than an hour for Cara Ullrich to make her first appearance because she originally told sheriff's deputies that she refused to come to court and refused to speak to an attorney. We're learning this is not the first time she's been investigated for alleged substance abuse and endangering the life of a child. On January 3rd, just before 11 a.m., McHenry County sheriffs were called to this house in the 9600 block of Hillendale Lane in Richmond, where prosecutors say 45-year-old Cara Ullrich lives. They found a deceased 14-year-old boy in the house with a bag of fentanyl in his room. Police found fentanyl, cocaine, and Narcan in the house. Prosecutors said Ullrich was hiding in a bathtub because she knew she had at least 2 outstanding warrants related to 2020 charges for violating an order of protection and domestic battery. She also had a warrant for failing to appear for a 2021 aggravated battery charge. Prosecutors said Ullrich admitted to having recently purchased fentanyl. She ran from police and had to be tackled by law enforcement before being taken into custody and charged with 2 counts of possession of a controlled substance and 2 counts of endangering the life or health of a child. It was unclear how Ullrich, who sobbed hysterically when the proffer was first read, was related to the boy who died, but prosecutors said her ex-husband and another 13-year-old boy was also living in the house at the time. The Department of Children and Family Services tells me they've had previous contact with the family. The last time was in 2019. That case involved substance misuse and concerns about the risk of physical injury to a child and neglect. It's unclear how that case was resolved. Prosecutors said this case was not eligible for detention due to new state pretrial guidelines, but she will be held on those other cases. At the McHenry County Courthouse, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.